Hello, I am Rohini Thomre, lecturer, Computer Technology Department, Kekewa Polytechnic, Nasik. I welcome all of you in this course, Fundamental of ICT. In this video, you will learn about basic block diagram of computer system and parts of computer system. Now, let us begin with the block diagram of computer system. A block diagram of computer displays a structural representation of computer system. The block diagram gives you a quick overview of working process of a computer from inputting the data to retrieving the desired results. The diagram shows a block diagram of computer system. A computer system is a combination of three components: input units, central processing unit, and output unit. Now let us discuss each unit in detail. Input unit. The input unit consists of input devices such as mouse, keyboard, scanner, joystick, etc. These devices are used to input information or instruction into the computer system. Like other electronic machines, a computer takes input as a raw data, that is binary data, and perform necessary processing, giving out processed data. Therefore, the input unit is a medium of communication that takes data from us to the computer in an organized manner for processing. The input unit performs the following major function. The input unit converts the inputted data or instructions into binary form for further processing, and also transmit data to the main memory of the computer. The second largest unit of computer system is Central Processing Unit, CPU. CPU or Central Processing Unit is known as the brain of computer system. It is an electronic hardware device that processes all the operations like arithmetic and logical. In other words, all the major calculations, operations or comparison are performed inside the CPU. It is also responsible for handling the operations of several other units also. Central Processing Unit consists of arithmetic and logic unit, control unit, and memory unit. Let us discuss control unit. As the name suggests, the control unit of CPU controls all the activities and operations of the computer. It is also responsible for controlling input, output, memory, and other devices connected to the CPU. The second unit of Central Processing Unit is Arithmetic and Logic Unit. The arithmetic unit controls simple operations such as addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication, whereas on the other side, the logical unit controls the logical operation such as and, or, equal, greater than, and less than. Apart from it, the logic unit also responsible for performing several other operations such as comparison, selection, matching, and merging of data. The information or data is transmitted to ALU from the storage unit only when it is required. After completing the operation, the result is either returned to the storage unit for further processing or getting stored. The next unit is memory unit. Memory unit is an essential part of computer system which is used to store data and instruction before and after processing. The memory unit transmits the information to other units of the computer system when required. The CPU performs major functions like it controls all components software and data processing of computer system. It takes data from input devices, execute the data and send output to the output devices. The CPU processes all the operations including all arithmetic and logical. The next part of computer system is output device. The output unit consists of devices that are used to display the result or output of processing. The output data is first stored in memory and then displayed in human readable form through output devices. Some of the widely used output devices are monitor, printer and projector. Now, let us discuss the part of computer system. As you know, the computer is an electronic device that accepts data as an input, processes the input data by performing mathematical and logical operation on it, and it gives the desired output. The computer system consists of 4 parts: hardware, software, data and users. The part of computer systems are shown in this figure. Let us discuss each part of computer system in detail. The first part is hardware. Hardware consists of mechanical parts and make up the computer system as a machine. The hardware consists of physical devices of computer. The devices are required for input, output, storage and processing of data. Keyboard, monitor, hard disk drive, floppy disk drive, printer, processor and motherboards are some of the examples of hardware devices. Now, the second part of computer system is software. Software is a set of instructions that tells the computer about the task to be performed and how these tasks are to be performed. Program is a set of instructions written in a language understood by computer to perform a specific task. A set of program and documents are collectively called software. The hardware of computer system cannot perform any task on its own. The hardware needs to be instructed about the task to be performed. Software instructs the computer about the task to be performed. Different softwares can be loaded on the same hardware to perform different kind of task. The next part of computer system is data. Data are isolated values or raw facts which are themselves have no much significance. For example, the data like 29 January and 1994 just represents value. The data is provided as input to computer which is processed to generate some meaningful information. For example, the provided information like 29 January and 1994 are processed by the computer to give the date of birth of a person. And the last part of computer system is user. Users are people who write computer programs or interact with computer. They are also known as skinware, humanware or peopleware. Programmer, data entry operators, system analyst and computer hardware engineers fall into this category. Thank you for watching video.